This one. Before, sir, you're cutting onion at home, you start crying, right? But this time, sir, even big onion, you put inside like this. You can add even 2 pieces. And then put this one only, sir, like this at the center. And you have to lock only. Then you have to put only the white string. 1, 2, 3. 3 seconds, sir, you have now for salad size. If you want more finer like this, you put again this one, lock, and you do that more. 5 times to 8 times, sir, you have more smaller onion. That one. So not only for onion, even hard vegetables like carrots, if the carrots is big like this, cut only into 4 pieces or 5 pieces like this. Then put everything inside. Put this one again at the top, then do the same action. Every time you cut, sir, you always pull like this. Same also for ginger, garlic, chili. You can mix together less than 10 seconds. Wow. You have this slice. Very easy. And not only this one, sir, this is removable. You can remove this one. And you can wash this one, sir, direct to the water with soup. Then you can use for the second time around. This is all washable. Put the blade, put this one. And I'll show you the peeler. This is free. This is 2 blades. So the blade like this, it has 2 blade like that. The peeler you have at home, sir, only 1 blade. So you can peel only like this, downward, right? Yeah. You have to reverse the vegetable before you have to peel here at the top. But this peeler, sir, you can see it's 2 blades. So you can peel not only downward, it's up and down in peeling. Wow. Very easy. And not only that one, sir, even for your cabbage, that before you have to cut leaf by leaf, this time, sir, glide only the peeler, same, side by side. You have now for your cabbage. You cut only the cabbage into half. Your salad, that one. And then this, not only that one, even for burger toppings like this. Yes, I'll show you that one also, sir. For burger toppings, you push only the peeler like this. You can have that slice for onion. And not only that one, if you want for round slice, salad, you push only, sir, same for onion, for cucumber for salad. And same also of the peeler for chips. You push for single chips, you can make also chips like this. And then the other side of the blade that has a sharp thing like this, you push at the vegetable. And then glide down only, sir. This is down. So you can make for your noodles. For noodles, for soup, that one. Same also for your cucumber, same. If you can mix together, you put some lemon, pepper, olive oil, perfect for salad. And not only that one, you can avail that one free and also this machine. It's inside. So you flatten the top only, sir. Flatten the top of the potato. Flat always, and then put this one at the top, as a top. Inject, screw, until the thread goes inside. After the thread goes inside, put your finger only here, and hold like this, don't use like this. Hold and then round only. So you can make the spiral thing for potato, round and round and round like a merry-go-round. Same also for zucchini for salad, cucumber same, until you finish the whole thing. Then example, you're done already, sir. If you have a stick like this, put at the center, and lock at least 1 or 2 slices at the top. Then it's scattered. You can put some butter and cheese powder. You can deep fry or grilled. It's perfect for snacks. So not only that one, you can have also this machine, free. You can connect together and then remove the blade. Put this one at the center. You can crack the egg for anda, for egg, for bitter, for your omelette. You pull the handle like this and pull the handle. And example, sir, this is a crema for your pancake, hot cake, omelette. Any liquid, sir, you can mix. You put like this, and if you pull the handle for mixing, it's 4 machine inside in the box.
Okay, thank you.
So that even meat you can mix.